your girl Diamond Lachey, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, so y'all already know I had promised y'all that I would come back, and after I created my wig from Fabulous Natural, I was gonna come back and show you guys how it looks. So I did co-wash it and I created a wig. Still no shedding. As you can see, the texture is still the same even after the wash. Very full, and this is not even the full 3 bundles, I mean. This isn't the full 3 bundles. This is 1.5. The thickness is so great. I wanted it to look as natural as possible. That's why I didn't use all 3 bundles, because me personally, I don't like really thick hair when it's straight. So I was like, you know what? All I need is 2.5. So I went for the 2.5. As you can see, sis is moving. No stiffness going on. Sis is moving, okay? And I haven't customized it or anything yet. I just wanted to show y'all before and after. So that is what the pre-plucked and the edges look like, baby hair. I'm so excited. So what I'm about to do, guys, is I'm about to go customize it, put it on, and talk to y'all a little bit more about the quality of this hair and why I think Fabulous Natural is the greatest hair company ever, because they hooked me up with this bomb hair, okay? So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I have installed the hair from Fabulous Natural, and as you can see, after co-washing it, it's still flowy. Y'all can see. Love it, love it, love it. The quality of this hair is amazing, y'all. It's so great. I'm just showing y'all how easy it is to rub your hand through. No shedding at all. I had no problems putting the frontal on. I literally had none. And as you can see, it blends in with my skin color very well. So natural. And I like how you can like do anything you want to do. You could put it up. You could literally do anything with this hair. It's so pretty and glossy. I definitely recommend Fabulous Natural if you are looking for hair extensions, especially if you're looking for something natural that looks like it's coming from the scalp, because that's what this is, okay? It looks like it's coming from my scalp. This hair is 3 bundles. I said this in the last video, but for the people who didn't watch it, this is 3 bundles of Peruvian. Now I only used 1.5 bundles. I didn't use, that's all I used, because I don't like to have 3 bundles. But this is 1.5 bundles in the frontal. The frontal is 16 inches. The bundles are 20 inches. So what I'm gonna do for y'all is I am going to leave the exact hair that's in my head, the bundles in the frontal. I'm going to leave the link below so that you can go and purchase from fabulousnatural.com. Y'all, I'm so glad to be showing y'all this hair I ordered. Like, go buy y'all some, okay? For real. The only thing I have left to do to this is to mold down the sides, because as you can see, it's kind of up. But I love this hair, y'all. The color selection was on point, y'all. Like, it melts right into my skin. Like, there's the lace, but you can't even tell it's there unless I like boom up there. But I'm thinking about bleaching the knots, which would make it look 1,000% more natural than it already does, because you know I barely had to even pluck it. Like, all I had to do was pluck the part. That's it. The baby hairs, cut them, boom, to my style, my liking, and it was fairly easy. So Make sure y'all hit up Fabulous Natural for your extensions. Not only do they sell extensions, but they sell skincare products, and they will not let you down. Okay, so if you want to look flawless, if you want to slay like this hair from Fabulous Natural, then make sure you follow the link below. Follow the link below, and I'll actually put it right here so you can see. So no excuses, y'all, none. Okay, and you know, I'm just about to go out, you know, just to show off this. I actually wore it out yesterday, and people was asking, where you get your hair from? I was like, Fabulous Natural, okay, period. All right, y'all, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more hair frontal wigs, you know, reviews and promotions. I really want y'all to slay like me. So without further ado, I'm ending this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I post. I am out.